That could be why I lost heat. That's empty. Let's hop to it.
What you doing up there? Good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. Today, we kind of a busy day. Yesterday, I got this all graded out, all the way to about there. We got our soakage trench inspections, passed those. Power inspections finally came yesterday. Those are good to go. We were gonna backfill our excavation trench, soakage trench. Got it all laid yesterday. He's gonna work his way out of here, finish the stuff in that front yard over there, and then I'm gonna come back here and backfill everything with 312, and we're gonna move this machine. We're gonna do some dig outs. So, kind of a busy day, so let's get to it. All right, we're back in 312 again today. We're gonna finish grading this and move it on. They are forming up 2 more utilities for pouring them tomorrow. And so we got more utilities coming up next week. This housing track is just booming, going up so fast. But we're keeping up. We're keeping the builders happy. Everybody's happy. It's okay. Start moving some dirt. Sorry to declare everybody, but the sun is finally out, even though they're calling for rain. We'll just learn. Deal with it. It might seem all sunny and warm outside, but there's a bone-chilling wind. A little rocky this morning. So hopefully my heat works now. Feels like it. It was crazy yesterday. It was nice and warm in here, and then heater stopped working. So I'm hoping it was just out being low on cooling. That was the issue. Alright. So got that all backfilled. See what I need and what I don't need for dirt. Get all the grassy crap out of here. Find out what I need to make grade. Right there to over there. Here's the property line right here. So we have enough dirt to fill up that, what we need over there. If we have too much, we'll get rid of that at final grade time or burn it up at final grade time. So now I'm just going to stockpile and transfer my way out of here. throw it all in that yard over there. We'll need it somewhere over there, I know it.
All right, so we got this all graded out. Like I said, not going for gold, getting it close. So all we have to do when we come back in here is minimal. And for the time I got today, that's what I could do. So we got all kinds of other things to do. But here we are. Everything flows from the house down that way to the street. You see we got our valley here. That's all gonna flow out that way. We're gonna try to make it flow from about the corner of that patio there out this way. We got the fall to do it, so might as well get it done. Patio set up. You can see grade is way up there. I think I'm gonna be pretty good on dirt when time comes for final grade. But here it is. Frank is getting this fixed done pretty well. He had a big hump and I told him to take it out. Smooth sailing. So we're hungry. Let's go get some food. So making the last few passes here. That's what we come to do the final grade. It's minimal. Site we're on it. Water when it rains. And it's supposed to rain. It's starting tonight. Hopefully not. Getting moved to lot 17 over there. We're gonna start to dig out soon. Love this tilt trailer though. I'd take it over a ramp any day. There you are.
I had to tell him where to take that 312. And I gotta walk all the way back across the job site, but it's all right. It's kind of cool to see how everything's just developing and coming along. Won't be too long before this one's done.
Well, walking by this, looks like somebody hit it. Oh, please. Look at that. Sweet. So out back from lunch, we helped the project manager yesterday change the starter out on his car. So today he bought lunch.
Thank you, brother.
Now we are just backfilling that power trench. We didn't get inspections till like 4 o'clock yesterday. We were already gone. So it is what it is. We'll just do with it for today.
Alright, Frank's about done with what he's gonna do. I got done grading all that over there. That's set up for the next utility. I'm gonna get on this beast. Let's go. Like a champ every time.
Skid steer's in the way. Like no brakes. It's to the floor right now. Hard to do one-handed.
Got a little chilly. Alright guys, we are here at the end of the day. As you can tell, we're just wrapping things up, doing the to-do list of the job site before we're on to the next 2 utilities. I'd like to thank you guys very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And if you're new here, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And for those of you that have been here, thanks for watching. See you next time.